The Vercel AI Gateway is a really good tool for using many different AI models in one application and quickly switching them in and out. I'm going to show you a quick example of how I used it in one of my apps. Hey Greg, I got really inspired by your podcast on Friday, and so I decided to take a shot at a deepest research agent. It's using the Vercel AI Gateway to do research in parallel with a bunch of different models. You can select a strategy on how you want to do the research, and then you can assign different models to the different tasks of research that an orchestrator agent is figuring out. And then it's going to do all that research in parallel for you. And then there's going to be a synthesizer agent that's going to take all of the outputs and put it all together at the end and find out what are the discrepancies and what are the commonalities in all of the research output to hopefully give you the deepest possible research. You can also save all this research to your account. I set up authentication with Supabase. So yeah, hope you like it.